How to use Kajabi for maximum results. In this video, you're about to discover why some Kajabi users tend to struggle shortly after signing up with the platform, the first thing every new Kajabi user should do upon logging in for the first time, and one Kajabi support option that can create a drastic shift in your mindset. And be sure to watch until the end of this video, because in a moment, I'll reveal a little-known trick to access secret advanced Kajabi how-to videos, which can easily boost your success with the platform. I'm Dex Williams, and I've been helping others to market and sell their knowledge online since 2007, and this has been done over a variety of different platforms and services. Around 2015, I became a founding member of Kajabi, and I realized just how much of an impact it had on any user who began using it. Now, that being said, some Kajabi users struggle because they rush in to using the platform. See, Kajabi is just so easy to use that sometimes users just rush in and they just want to start building out their sales funnels, their websites, their landing pages, their memberships, their courses before truly exploring the platform. And that can lead to many of them eventually getting stuck, frustrated, and just, wanting to give up. So here's how to use Kajabi for maximum results. First off, the fast start orientation. So as a new user of Kajabi, when you log into the dashboard, you'll see a option to begin going through the fast start orientation. This will simply walk you through each kind of step needed to go from start to finish of getting your business up and going. The second support that they offer is a success call. So every new user of Kajabi gets a live phone call with a Kajabi success rep who will walk you through the platform, introduce you to the various features, and make sure that you are comfortable and knowledgeable of all of the different aspects that you will need to get great results. But last and certainly not least is the Kajabi University. This is also located on the front page, the first page of the dashboard when you first log into Kajabi, and it can also be accessed through its own website. However, this portal has short little actionable videos from experts who've been using the Kajabi platform to get fantastic results. And this is an absolute game changer when it comes to lead generation, sales optimization, marketing strategies, you name it. This means you can access these secret Kajabi how-to videos as part of all of the Kajabi plans at no additional cost. That means you can remove any doubt or hesitation that may hold you back from getting results. Now, this covers how to use Kajabi for maximum results. I'm curious, what are you most excited to build with Kajabi? Let me know in the comments below. And if you want more videos featuring Kajabi updates and strategies, make sure to click that like button, hit that subscribe button, and push that notification bell so that you get notified about my future videos. And if you want to watch this next video, you'll find out why is Kajabi good for SEO ranking and what is Kajabi website features that you will want to use.